Woohoo! So our next type of affixes, right? So we're gonna here talk about nang, mang and nang, and we're also gonna talk about a little bit about their use. Well, actually, we're gonna talk about their usage, but I also put down here the least commonly used variant of mang and nang. Okay, mang, and some people. I mean, I guess it really just depends on. I don't know if it depends on the dialect, but at this point, it depends on the idiolect. Okay, the idiolect of the person. Manag and nanag. Okay, mang or manag, nang and nanag. Mang expresses the incomplete, and nang compresses the completed, right? So I don't need to talk about I don't need to talk about that. All right, so here are our three little guidelines, I guess, right? So it's going to be expressed in the agent focus using the absolutive ang family of markers, and this is the important one, plural pronouns, okay? Plurality. These two affixes, mang and nang, conjugate by plurality, okay? And what do we mean by plurality? Well, it's down here, okay? Now remember, absolutive, so plural pronouns in the absolutive. So we have to use the ang set of markers, right? Or the ang family of markers, I should say. And so here they are. Kami, kita, kamo, sila. We have ang again, but it's accompanied with mga because it's plural. And these pronouns here, the absolutive case pronouns only listed here are only in the plural forms. Kami, kita, kamo, sila. You will not see singular forms. All right. However, I put here, if you don't want to say kami, you can say ako, ug, si, blah, 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 right? Ako, ug, si, plus si, blah, 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 blah. It's us, right? Kami, not including you, the listener. It's us. Remember, it is exclusive. Kita is an inclusive. It's including you. Okay, ako, ikaw, so me, you, and whoever else, right? It's plural. And kamo is just you plural, right? You plural. Ikaw, ug, si, blah, 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 blah. Sila is si, blah, 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 ug, si, blah, blah, blah. Ug, we're talking about those people, sila. So kami, kita, kamo, sila. The ang again, but ang is no longer singular, it's plural. So ang, mga, and then whatever plural thing we're pluralizing, okay? And then, of course, our demonstrative pronouns, kani and kana. Kani and kana, or kana, kani, right? And again, they are pluralized. So here are our examples, okay? This is going to be interesting. First sentence is, nangompra mi sa mercado. So, I'm sorry, mangompra mi sa mercado, right? Mangompra mi sa mercado. And it makes sense because it's kami, right? Mangompra, kinsa mangompra. You, or us, us, mangompra mi sa mercado. Second sentence, mangaon ta sa gawas kay dili na init kaayo. So, mangaon na ta. So, yeah, let's go. And then the last example, and this one actually uses the ta, okay? I don't need to explain that. And then this one I don't need to explain, it's really easy, okay? Nanagan, right? Nanagan ang mga, oh shoot, I misspelled here. It's actually, nanagan ang mga bata og marathon sa bag-ong asfaltadong dalan, limpyo gyud. I left out a word, but it's okay. This is kind of bothering me now that I left it out. So let me just write it in. All right. There you go. It was bothering me. So, nangagan ang mga bata og marathon sa bag-ong asfaltadong dalan, limpyo gyud. Okay, so for those of you that don't understand, right? They ran a marathon. Those kids, right? They ran a marathon. Nangagan ang mga bata og marathon sa bag-ong asfaltadong dalan, limpyo gyud, right? So we're talking about not just one kid, but a plural number of kids, or the children in general, right? They ran the marathon. So I hope this can help you with expressing mang and nang now. and it will actually do you well with the plurals.